Most young athletes dream of playing sports in the pros. The fame is always an alluring part of being a star player, but few Terrapin teams have as much success with graduated players as the men's soccer team. Head coach Sasho Cirovski has seen many players leave Maryland to grow careers of their own in professional soccer. Some Terps even get to represent the USA. Players like Graham Zusi, Omar Gonzalez, and Maurice Edu began their careers for Maryland before suiting up for the USA, and they'll likely be playing at the World Cup this summer. It's all part of the career for a professional soccer player. 2013 graduate Taylor Kemp is a defender for DC United, and he attributes much of his growth to his time as a Terp.
Maryland just provided a great platform to kind of take a step into the pros and make that transition as easy as possible. It's always fun when you see guys that are on the other side that you've known, that went through the same experiences that you did at the school, and it's fun to see them do well. And when we're doing the same thing, we're all aspiring for the same goal. It's just fun to have that kind of shared success. A ton of credit goes to Maryland to Sash and the team and the program in general. It just, like I said, it gives you a great platform to make that transition. It gives you a lot of high quality experience, and a lot of eyes are on you at all times, so it gets you ready, and you know, I owe a lot to the program.
Thanks to Sasho and the rest of the coaches on campus, these Terps are ready for the pros. Nick Leinbach, Journalism 361, The District.